Hi, this is Omar again, reporting on the road, driving back. We're in Georgia. We have probably maybe 4 to 5 hours left into our trip. I'd say 3. Yeah, about 4. I don't know. We have a lot. This truck sucks, but you know, this is what we got. Again, I'm here with my man, Wavy Davy.
Nothing but love, baby.
We are listening to hip hop music, listening to old school, talking about the new Hawaiian American president.
He's Hawaiian.
And you know, what can you do in a Penske truck driving to Orlando? Just talk. So, just giving you guys an update. Can't wait to get home. It's getting a little bit warmer. As you can tell, I took off my beanie cap. My hair is kind of messed up. I am kind of warm. We should not turn on the AC, but we turn off the heater. So, we're in Georgia. Can't wait to get home to watch Lost tonight. Well, I am. Wavy Davy probably will be chilling at his house eating.
Just chilling. Wearing my jammies.
And just can't wait to get home in my own bed. So, this is Omar reporting on the road, and can't wait to be home. Talk to you guys later. Out.